Hello, wonderful English learners. Welcome to the Happylish YouTube channel. Today, we have a very special story for you. It's a story about a funny man, his clever wife, and a big lesson about respect. Are you ready to listen and learn some new English words? I hope so. Let's start our story. Our story takes place in a beautiful kingdom. Near the big, grand king's palace, there was a small, cozy house. This house was home to a happy family. The father was named Sunny. Sunny was a court jester. A jester is a person who makes people laugh. Sunny worked in the palace. He made the king and queen laugh and smile every day. They loved him very much. Sunny lived with his wife and their son. His wife was very proud of their home. She kept it very clean and very beautiful. In their garden, they had a well. A well is where they got water for drinking and bathing. They were a happy family. One day, the queen said she wanted to meet Sunny's wife. Sunny said yes quickly. But he told the queen, "Your Majesty, my wife cannot hear well, so you must speak loudly to her." The queen said, "Okay." Then Sunny went home and told his wife, "The queen cannot hear well. You must speak loudly to her." Later, Sunny took his wife to the queen. The queen and Sunny's wife started talking, but they were both shouting. The king came to see why they were yelling. Then, everyone understood it was Sunny's joke. Everyone at the palace laughed. But Sunny's wife felt very bad. She felt sad and angry. She thought, "Why, Sunny? Why did you make me do that?" From that day, she said, "I will teach Sunny a lesson. He must learn to respect his wife." So, one night, Sunny came home late. He knocked on his door. "My dear wife, please open the door. I'm hungry," he said. But his wife, remembering the lesson she wanted to teach, said, "I'm sorry, I can't open the door. I'm sleeping, and I can't hear you." She was pretending, of course. Sunny kept shouting, "Please open the door. I will give you anything you want." His wife shouted back, "All I want is for you to learn to respect your wife in front of the king and queen." She still did not open the door. Sunny was getting frustrated. He then said something very dramatic. He threatened, "If you don't open the door, I will jump into the well and kill myself. Life without a home and a wife is meaningless." His wife replied, "I don't care what you do. Go ahead and jump. Let the frogs in the well take care of you." Then there was silence. She paused. She listened very carefully. Will he really jump? She wondered. Suddenly, Sunny picked up a large rock. He walked to the well. He shouted very loudly, "Here I go. No one cares for me anymore. Goodbye, my dear, goodbye. I'm jumping into the well." Splash! He threw the rock into the well. It made a very loud splash. His wife heard the splash. She was alarmed. She quickly ran to the door. She looked around. She saw no Sunny. "Oh no!" she cried. She ran to the well. She looked into the well. She thought her husband was inside. She started screaming, "Help! Please help me! My husband has fallen into the well." Neighbors came running. "What happened?" they asked. Before she could answer, a voice called from inside the house. It was Sunny. He said, in a very dramatic voice, "I jumped into the well because my wife didn't care for me. Then he went back inside and slammed the door shut. His wife ran to the house. She was shivering and yelling, "Please, my dear, open the door. I'm cold out here." But Sonny refused. He did not open the door. He taught her a lesson too. What a funny and clever story, right? Sonny and his wife both learned a lesson. Did you hear some new words today? Like jester, palace, humiliated, well, and splash. You can watch this video again to practice listening and learn these words. To help you learn even more English, I've put together a list of the vocabulary from this story that might be new for you. You can find this list with the meanings in the video description. Make sure to take a look. If you enjoyed this story, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the Happylish YouTube channel for more fun English stories. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.